Today we're going to help teach you on how to add Visa gift card to Cash App. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start. Firstly, we need to click on the bank icon on the bottom left corner. Then from here, we should see the options to add cash. Now we have options, and we can write the amount that we want to transfer from our Visa gift card to Cash App. Let's do $25. However, if you want it to be specific amount, simply click on these three dots. For this tutorial, let's do $25. Now, we will be taken here. And now we input our Visa gift card credentials or information. After typing the necessary information, simply click Link Card. Then, this will link your gift card to Cash App, and it will transfer the amount that you have selected. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.